Fans of streaming video were enraged after reports emerged that Netflix had begun to show commercials. Many users threatened to leave the service if ads became more widespread, but Netflix said that they were only showing promos for their own content and that this is only an experiment. Netflix CEO Reed Hastings quickly responded. No advertising coming onto Netflix, period. Streaming services like Netflix, Amazon Prime and Hulu have rapidly grown in popularity, while cable TV has gradually lost subscribers. According to the FCC, the price of expanded basic cable in the US has increased by an average annual of 6% in 10 years since 1995. That's 3 times the rate of inflation, as recorded by the Consumer Price Index over the same period. To combat these losses, CBS has launched CBS All Access, which offers thousands of episodes of CBS's current and classic programs, all without a cable TV subscription. And this year, HBO launched HBO Now, a video-on-demand service which also doesn't require a television subscription. Reed Hastings has seen the business model change, but he still sees room for everyone.
10 years ago, we were a domestic mailer of DVDs, and I spent most of my time working with polycarbonates and seeing what stress factors were so they didn't break in a postal sorting machine. Linear video that we've all grown up with is like the fixed line telephone, and eventually people's parents will be someone who still has fixed line telephone or still watches linear video, but that it's going to become an on-demand world where consumers can choose what and how they watch. That's the power of change and the value of and the excitement of living in a time of the internet revolution.